Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low. Touch our toes. Next, we can go back up high again. And this time, can we go tippy-toe high? And when we're there, let's have a wave, side to side. Excellent, guys. And then back down to touch our toes one more time. That's great. And then stand up, have a shake. Arms and legs, have yourselves a shake. And then hands on hips, and we'll have a wiggle. Wiggle side to side. Stop. Wiggle again. Wiggle side to side again. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. Now let's go round and round. Give our spines a nice stretch before our students sit back down. Stop. And then round the other way. Round and round the other way. That's great, guys. And then to finish, we're going to do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Have a seat. So in yesterday's math lesson, we were learning about 0 and how 0 can appear in large numbers. But some people think, well, if it's 0, why is it there at all? And the reason for 0 still being there is large numbers is because it acts an important role. Does anybody remember? Placeholder, yes. Well done, guys. So let's spell placeholder. Excellent. Okay, so as an example, I will show again how we use 0 as a placeholder. So I'll write a large 9-digit number.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0,
Okay, so let's read this number together. 602,145. Excellent. Now you notice we have a 0. And as I say, some people think, well, if it's 0, why don't we just delete? And the reason for that is because 0 is acting as a placeholder. The reason 0 is here is so that the 3 and the 2 are in their correct places. So can anybody tell me the place value of 0 here? Let's count from the small. 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes. So you see here, 0 is the placeholder. N-T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. 10,000. If 0 wasn't here, the 3 would be in the wrong column. Then the 4 would be in the wrong column. So even though it's 0, it still acts as an important role as a placeholder. And after my demonstration, what I'm going to do now is ask a couple of students to come forward and demonstrate their knowledge. So what we can do, guys, close our eyes. And then somebody will have a pen and a number. And within that number, there will be 1 0. And our student will come forward and see where 0 is acting as a placeholder. Okay, let's open our eyes, guys. And who has the pen now? Pak Boong has the pen. So I would like Pak Boong to come forward and help me. So first of all, guys, what we'll do, we'll read our number. 640,146. So what we do is we look at where the 0 is. And when we're doing examples, it's always helpful to have just 1 0 so we can be clear. So guys, where is the 0 in our number here? What? Thousands, exactly. So can you designate where 0 is, please, Pak Boong? And then thousands, T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D. Excellent, guys. So you can see 0 is the thousands column. How about the 4? 10,000. So you understand, if we delete the 0, the 4 would then be in the wrong column. So that's why it's important, even though we have zeros in large numbers, we need to keep them to act as the placeholder in their correct column. Pak Boong, that was excellent. High five, big round of applause for Pak Boong. Let's do one more example, just so we know our students understand completely. So eyes closed again, guys. Let's see. Okay, and it's now the turn of Dawn to come forward and demonstrate her understanding. So guys, first of all, let's read the number that I've written on the board. We have 7,452,150. Okay, now first thing to do is to locate the 0. And where's our 0 down? Here. Yes. And find out what place value does our zeros represent. Ones. Excellent. Ones. And the S2, we can have an S2, 1 or ones. Perfect. So now you'll notice our 0 is in the very first column, but it still needs to be there. Wherever our 0 appears in our large number, it has to be, because it acts as the placeholder. You can see the 5. What column is the 5 in, guys? Tens. But if the 0 was deleted, then the 5 would be the first number, and it would look like being in the ones. So therefore, it's always important to have our 0 in the large number to act as a placeholder. And down, that was excellent, very well done. High five, big round of applause for down, guys. And that was brilliant. Even though 0 is a small number, it shows how it still has as much importance as all of the other numbers. And what we're going to do today is we're going to move on. And we're going to look at how we can read expanded numbers. Yes, now does anybody know what expanded numbers means yet? We're still talking about large numbers, but what we need to do sometimes with large numbers is make a calculation so that we can turn them into expanded numbers. And what expanded number means is we look at the place value of each individual digit and we write it independently. And then at the end, we can add all the digits up and they give us our total number. So what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation for our students to observe and listen to about reading expanded numbers. So let's turn to the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, reading numbers in expanded form. Yes, and the word expanded, expand means make bigger, make larger. So we'll show how we can take large numbers and then put them in larger expanded form. To read numbers correctly, we must know the place value of each digit. Yes, we've done a lot of work lately about place values and digit value, but that's important because we need to know in large numbers what each digit represents, such as the 0. Reading a number in expanded form means adding the numbers together. Well done, guys. Excellent. So we can see here, what is our total number? 3,405. So how many threes do we have? How many thousands, sorry? 3. How many hundreds?
4.
How many tens?
0.
How many ones?
5.
5. So, to read our numbers in expanded form, we look like this. We take the place value, thousands, times it by the number, 3, and that gives us 3,000. Then the next column, the hundreds, how many?
400.
So 400 is 400. Now, when we're reading and writing expanded numbers, if it's 0, this time we don't need to write. If a number is 0, we don't need to bother with it. We can forget the zeros. Not like the last lesson, the placeholder, we need the 0. But in expanded numbers, if there's a 0, we can forget. But how about the ones, guys? How many? 5. So 5 ones equals 5. So then we have our 3 amounts. 3,000 plus 400 plus 5 equals,
3,405.
excellent. You see how we can forget about the 0 because we only need to calculate the place values of the digits. So, in expanded form, 3,405 is read as
3,000 plus 400 plus 5 equals 3,405.
excellent. All we're doing is we're taking the values of all of the different digits according to their place value. And remember, this time, anything that's 0, we don't need to include because we're adding together. And if we try to add 0, it's 0. What number can you see?
82,195.
Excellent. Any zeros this time?
No.
No. So that means we need to calculate all 5. So first of all, we can start with the largest column each time. What's our largest column in place value? 10,000. How many times?
8
So 10,000 times 8,
equals
80. 80,000. Then our next column, thousands. How many thousands do we have? 2. So 2,000. Then the hundreds. How many hundreds can we see, guys? 100. So 1 times 100 equals 100. And how about the tens? 9 tens equals 90. And then how many ones? 5. So 5 times 1 equals 5. And then if we add all of our expanded numbers together, 80,000 plus 2,000
plus 2,000
plus 100
plus 100
plus 90
plus 90
plus 5
plus 5
equals
equals
82,195. This is our number. This here is our number in expanded form using the digit values. So we can say in expanded form, 82,195
195
is read as
is read as
80,000
80,000
plus
2,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 5 equals 82,195.
excellent, guys. That's brilliant. You see what we're doing? We're taking the digit value of each column. And notice as well, expanded numbers, only ever the first digit is used. Every other digit will be 0 because we're concentrating on individual columns. So this number, this 6-digit number, 238. Excellent. How many hundred thousands? 200,000. How many 10,000s? 3. So 3 times 10,000, 30,000. Look at the digits first, guys. How many thousands? 8. So 8 times 1,000 equals 8,000. How many hundreds? 4 times 100? How many tens?
1
Times 10? 10. And how many ones? 9 ones is 9. So, in expanded form, 238,419 is read as 100,000, 30,000, 8,400 plus 10 plus 9 equals 38. Brilliant. Very good, guys. So we're going to do one more now. This time we're into the millions. How many million? 294,485. And all we do each time is we look at the place value, millions, the digit value, 9. So 9 millions equals 9 million. 200,000 equals 9 10,000s. 4,000s. Yes. 400s. 8 10s. 80. And 5 ones. 5. You see? Just work out the digit value of each place, and there you have your number in expanded form. So we can say 9,294,485 is read as. Okay, so let's read together. What do we have first? How many millions?
9 million
Plus 200,000
plus 90,000 plus 4,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 5 equals 9,294,485.
Wow, guys, that's brilliant. Okay, so the final one, the test. Now work out for yourselves. What's the number you can see?
5,584,792.
Okay, so how many millions do we have?
5
So 5 times 1 million
equals 5 million.
equals 5 million. How many 100,000s do we have? 2 times 100,000.
200,000.
How many 10,000s?
18,000.
80,000. How many thousands? 4,000. How many hundreds?
100.
How many tens?
90.
How many ones?
2.
Okay, so you understand. 5 million,
5 million.
284,792
84,792
is read as
is dressed as
5
million plus 200,000
thousand
plus 80,000 plus
4,000
plus 700 plus 90 plus 2 equals
5 million
284,792.
92. Guys, that's brilliant. Very well done. Any more questions? Okay, excellent. Well done, guys. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation so that they can begin to understand about reading expanded numbers and how the value of each digit in its column presents us with the value of the expanded number. Then what we do, we calculate together all of the different values of the expanded numbers to give us our total number. And we're going to do a class demonstration soon. But first of all, guys, time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And let's begin by doing some rotations. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. And now we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, guys. And next, we'll do 5 stretches to our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. And let's have a shake. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. And to finish, we will do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brilliant, guys. Have a seat. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do a class demonstration for our students to better understand how to read numbers in expanded form. So first of all, let's write that phrase, numbers in expanded form. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Numbers in expanded and form, F-O-R-M. Numbers in expanded form. And remember, the meaning of the word expanded is to make bigger, which is what we're doing with our numbers by giving each row or column its own individual value. So what I've got in my classroom, I have 9 students, which is convenient because what we're going to do is we're going to create our own 9-digit number in expanded form. So I'm going to ask each student to come forward and write their own number in expanded form from 9 digits to 1. And then at the end, what we can do, we can read the expanded number together and it will give us our total. So let's see, who can go first? I think we'll go this way. Lakgao, I think you can go first. So Lakgao gets the honor of writing the 9-digit number. So Lakgao, can you begin by writing your 9-digit number here? So what we'll do, we'll start with 9 digits and we'll go down each time. Okay, so 9, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. Excellent, Lakgao. So we've got our 9-digit number. Who can tell me how much this number represents?
900 million.
Perfect. 900 million. And then what we need a plus sign here for our next student. Okay, that's perfect. Lakgao, high five. Big round of applause. Big round of applause for Lakgao. Okay, so we've begun our number in expanded form. We've got our 9-digit number. Next, it's time for our 8-digit number. And I would like to ask Prel, can you come forward and do it for me, please? And here's your pen. So 8 digits, please. Prel, can you... I forget, Lakgao was quite tall and Prel. So we've got 70. Prel, that's excellent. And thank you very much for reaching so high too. So guys, what's the value of Prel's 8-digit number? 70 million. 8 digits is 10 millions. Prel, brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Prel. Okay, it would help if our students were all the same height, but they're bigger and smaller than each other. And now, our 3rd student with his 7-digit number. Bangpon, can you come and draw your 7-digit number for me, please? Okay, So Pangpon, you can draw yours here in the next line. So Pangpon has gone for 4 and then 6 more zeros. Excellent. So guys, can anyone tell me the value of the number that Pangpon has written on the book? 4 million. Yes. So far we have 900 million. 70 million. And as Pangpon has excellently drawn now, we have 4 million. Perfect. High five. Big round of applause for Pangpon, guys. Now it's time for our next student with her 6-digit number. So down, can you come and join me, please? Each time we're going down a digit until we get to 1 digit. So down, 6 digits, please, any that you like. But remember, only the first digit has a value because this is expanded form. Perfect. And what's the value of Down's number, guys? 600,000. Perfect, Down. Very well done. Big round of applause for Down, please. And I think now we can go into the next column. So, Net, can you come forward and draw or write your 5-digit number? And what you can do, if you can start a new column here. So 5 digits, Net, remembering only the first digit has a value. Okay, so you can write here. Perfect. What's the value of Net's number, guys? 50,000. But Net, don't forget your plus. We need a plus for the next number because we're calculating. Perfect. High five. Big round of applause for Net, guys. Okay, so the numbers are getting smaller now. Next, we're into the 4-digit numbers. So Nadia, can you draw your 4-digit number for me? Perfect. So Nadia's 4-digit number will be, let's see, what do we have? 8000. Perfect. And it's great to see you remembering the commas in the right places too, guys. So what's Nadia's number? 8,000. 4 digits, 8,000. Nadia, perfect. High five and a big round of applause for Nadia. And now for Pat. Pat and his 3-digit number. So 3 digits, and now we're into 3 digits, no need for commas. So Pat will go with 700. Okay, so what's the value of Pat's number, guys? 700. Perfect, Pat. And don't forget our plus for our next one, because we have 2 more to do. That's excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Pat. And now 2 digits, Pakbung. There you go. Any 2-digit number, making sure the second one is a 0. Perfect. What's the value of Pakbung's number? 60. Pakbung, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Pakbung. And now, our final student, Chu. Can you come and join me? And now, we're down to 1 digit. So, Chu, any digit that you like, you can place here. That's fantastic. So, what's the value of Chu's digit? 5. Okay, guys, Chu, very good. Well done. Now, we have our number in expanded form on the board. This is our 9-digit number in expanded form. But how to read and then place it into a normal 9-digit number? It's very easy. All we need to do is look at the place value of each of the first digits and write them one after the other. So we have 900 million, 70 million. So how many million do we have, guys? No, 974 million. You see, to read the expanded number, we just take the value of each of the first digits. 974 million. And now 600,000, 50,000, 8,000. So how many thousands do we have?
658,000.
Perfect. And then how many hundreds?
700.
How many tens?
60.
And how many ones?
5.
5. So there you go. We have our numbers in expanded form. And how to read them is we just take the value of each of the first digits and we place them together. Because if they're in the correct sequence, we have the correct place value already. So one more time, guys. 974 million, 658,000, 765. And that's how we read our numbers in expanded form. So well done, guys. That was brilliant. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, give your students each one worksheet. And what our students need to do is that in the left-hand column, we already have our numbers in expanded form. Our students need to read the value of each number and then write it in a total here. Very similar to what we've done on the board in our demonstration exercise. So remembering only to take the value of each expanded number to give us our total. And we'll give our students around 10 minutes for this activity, and we can just monitor the class and help them with anything they need. But what do we need to do first, guys? Names on top. Brilliant. So Chu, this one's for you. Pakbung, you're welcome. Pat, you're welcome. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Net, there's yours. You're welcome. Down, this one's for you. You're welcome. Bang Bon, for you. You're welcome. Prel, here's yours. And Lakau. And you'll notice too, guys, they're not all 9-digit numbers. Some of them are 5 digits, some of them are 6. So remember to put your commas in the correct place. And if you need any help, just let me know. 75,352,721. Perfect. Well done, Bang Pon. So that's good to see. You understand well. And also, the commas in the correct place too. Remember, it's commas after every 3 digits. So Chu, you write your name on top and then have a look at your number in expanded form and demonstrate how to read it correctly by writing the total. So the first one you can see here. So excellent. So 70 million, and then the next one. 5. So 5 here. And then we can have our comma. So 75 and then 3. 5. 2. You see what we do? We take the first digit out of each one and it makes our number. So then comma again. 7. 7 there, so 7 here. 2. And then finally, our last digit, 1. Perfect. And that's how we read our number in expanded form. Take the first digit every time and then write them together. But remember, comma after every 3 digits. Excellent, well done. Excellent, guys. Great to see you understand. And also good use of the commas. Every 3 digits, we need our comma. So hundreds, comma, thousands. Let's see it. So here, how many digits? 9. So 2, 8, 7, then comma, well done. 6, 5, 3, comma. 7, 1, 5. Perfect. That's how you read your expanded number. Take the first digit out of each column and then write them together. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to read each of the numbers in expanded form and then taking the totals of each value, write the total in the next column. And it's important to count the numbers, guys, so that we know the commas go in the right places every 3 digits. And my students here all did a brilliant job. So well done, guys. That was great. And we hope you've enjoyed today's lesson and now understand a little bit more about how to read numbers in expanded form by taking the value of the first digit and combining them in the correct place order to give you our total number. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.